Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First open CapCut. Go to New Project and add 17 photos. Select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now apply animation on photos. Go to Animation, then Combo, and apply this animation on these photos. Now check your video. Now, select Resolution and Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.